Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both accounts and the console. Sign into the primary account that owns the games, go to Settings Personalization My Home Xbox and select Make this my home Xbox. This grants shared access. Once done, add the secondary account to the same console so it appears in Guide Add New. Make sure the console is online and you have the account passwords ready. This prevents interruptions during license sharing setup. Now configure family settings and verify licenses so sharing works reliably. If you require parental controls, add the child account to your Microsoft Family Online. This keeps purchases and playtime managed. On the primary account, open My Games and Apps and check on titles and subscriptions like Game Pass. Licenses must be tied to the primary account. If games don't show for the secondary user, sign the primary out then back in, or finish by testing access and adjusting final permissions. Sign into the secondary account and launch a shared game to confirm success. You should be able to play while primary is offline if home Xbox is set. Make sure downloads and updates run under the account that owns the game so DLC and saves link properly. If you encounter license errors, clear local saved licenses or power cycle the console. This refreshes entitlements and resolves most common sharing faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.